Put the Nexia zoom on a flat and stable surface. Attach the power cable. Attaching the head. Make sure the screws are fully retracted. Remove the lens cap. Remove protection of the object clamps. Placing the eyepieces. Make sure the Allen screws to secure the eyepieces are fully retracted. Fixate the eyepieces with the Allen wrench. Placing the eye shades. Installing the photo tube. Turn the top of the tube up or turn down to focus the camera. Turn on the main power. Note the way to adjust the transmitted light and the incident light. Change the object plates to start working with the Nexia zoom. Turn the incident lighting on. Use an easy object such as a coin. Move the tubes until the image appears as one circle. Choose the smallest magnification and focus. If the focusing tension is too light or too heavy, turn both focusing knobs in opposite directions until the friction is correct. Turn the eyepieces to match the 0 with the mark on the stationary part. Focus using both eyes. Switch to a higher magnification and refocus. Close your right eye and focus with the left diopter adjustment ring. Turn the diopter adjustment back a few divisions. Reset your eyes by looking in the distance for a few seconds. Close your right eye again and focus with the left diopter adjustment ring. Repeat this procedure for the right eyepiece. We will now switch to a larger object. Choose the smallest magnification and focus. Use a higher magnification at will. Next, we use an object observed with transmitted light. Switch from incident to transmitted lighting. Choose the smallest magnification and focus. Use a higher magnification at will. At the end of your session, remove your sample, turn off the transmitted lighting, and switch off the main power. Cover your microscope.